Now let's look at horizontal lines, which is another special case, right? For horizontal lines, there is no rise, no run. They would go something like this. A horizontal line would be parallel to the x-axis, okay? And when it's parallel to the x-axis, it will never cross the x-axis. In fact, it will though cross the y-axis. Let's say again it crosses at, I don't know, 3. Let's say this crosses at 3, okay? Then it would be y equals 3. And just like the vertical lines, there's no x value, there's no two variables, it's a special case. So if you remember 2 slides ago, vertical lines were x equals, and there was no y. Horizontal lines, y equals, whatever the y-intercept is, again, there's no x variable, just a y variable. So if we use a red, let's say we did one down here, I don't know, way down here at -5, say, okay, -5. It crosses at -5, you'd say y equals -5. Because it doesn't matter what x is, right? If you think about, back to picking our x's last week when we did the introduction and graph some stuff, we would pick our x's, so let's draw this here. We would pick, x and y. We would pick our x's and we would substitute in, we could find our y's if we had the equation. These are special cases. We don't worry about a table of values. We don't worry about picking x's. We just look at where they cross, okay, and we can do the equation very quickly.